So over here you can see that I got some mails on my inbox, and you can see that I have one unread email. That is because it is highlighted as white right here, and the text that you see on the mail is bold. You can also see that there is one unread mail in total. That is because you got one over here on the side of the inbox right here. So if I were to go around and click on this mail, then it is marked as read, and the number besides the inbox gets removed, meaning that there is no unread email. So if I were to go back to inbox by clicking on it, you can see that there are no unread emails now. But if I were to go around and click right here on this particular email, and then if I were to click on the three dot button by going on to more, then I can click on mark as unread. Once I do that, you can see that the email gets unread out right there, and then it is marked as unread over here, and the text is bold again. It is highlighted in white, and you can see number 1 besides it over here, just like this as well. So apart from this, you can go around and click on any other mail as you want and go around onto a particular thread and mark unread from a particular place as you want as well, and that will be marked as unread over here if you want to set it as unread. So now what you can also do is you can go around over here in the set section and then type in let's say for example type in right here and then colon, and you can type in read right here just like this. Once you do that, what happens is that you see all of the mails that you have read. You can see this unread mail as well because we just marked out certain mails as read in that particular thread while others are unread. If I were to go around and type in unread over here in sets, now you can see all of the unread mails, and that is how you can filter it out as well, as you can see right here. So that is what you have. You got the read and unread mail, and if you were to click on this, you can go around and access out the mails once more. So that is one, and what you can also do is you can see all of the mails that you have sent to others. So in the inbox, you see the mails that you have received. But if you were to go around onto the send area right here, then you can see the mails that you have sent to others right here, and it gets collected out right here. So now what you can do around over here is you can also go around over here whenever you're in inbox or any other place. You can go around into search in mail section right here, and you can type in colon and then type in sent over here as well and press enter. So once you do that, what happens is that you can access the sent area by going around over here just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and view and manage the read, unread, and sent mails from Gmail. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.